Hi, welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And I got a smile, and everybody knows why. And if you don't, because you're new or you're just a viewer, when I get a box, I get happy because I get to use a knife. I get to use the knife on the box. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Cut like butter. Gotta wait for this. Okay.
Walk away from there, okay?
These are the AWEI wireless sports earphones. They have super bass, a 4D surround sound. They are supposed to be sweatproof and Bluetooth. They come with extra earpieces for sizing, and they have a tilt. Look at that tilt. And that's supposed to be more comfortable for the ear to stop it from falling in and out. And they're also magnetic. And it's a very strong magnetic. And this way, when they're on your neck, you're able to hold it on. This is your volume. Up and down, forward, and rewind. On this side, you lift this little door right here. Come on. There we go. And this is where you put your charging cord to be charged. Right there. Nice and out of the way. This is the USB that it comes with. Basic USB cord that gets plugged into there. This is Sweatproof, Bluetooth, magnetic, as the built-in mic, has the dual drives, is wireless, it's great for sports, it's got that super bass, it's waterproof, it has that noise reduction, it also has the intelligent use for two phones or music systems together to play. Throw them likes up if you like this video and subscribe.